the nation has set before itself the transformative goal of Vikasit Bharat 2047. In alignment with this national resolve, the state of Goa has embarked upon a long-term and inclusive development journey through its vision of Vikasit Bharat 2037. One of the most significant administrative reforms undertaken recently is the creation of Kushawati district. This step reflects the state's commitment to decentralization, responsive administration, and balanced regional development. Goa continues to maintain a stable law and order environment supported by a high crime detection rate, strengthened cybercrime response mechanisms, improved traffic enforcement, and continuous modernization of police and fire services infrastructure. These efforts reaffirm our commitment to public safety, rule of law, and citizens' confidence. Landmark initiatives to address long-pending concerns relating to housing and land security. The Majhe Ghar scheme, along with reforms to resolve issues of pre-1972 housing, long-standing dwelling units on various categories of land, and one-time regularization measures have provided legal certainty and emotional relief to thousands of families. These initiatives represent a compassionate and pragmatic approach to governance rooted in social justice.